Hello and welcome to the channel. Wanted to give a quick look at my Traxxas TRX4 Bronco, and I will also show a comparison between the Bronco and the TRX4 Defender. I did upgrade the ESC and the motor. I have the Mamba X with the 2850 kV motor. I also have a Savox Servo 1210 up front. And I did run the fender, the Rock lights. I'll wait to see if Traxxas comes out with a set of lights specific for the Bronco. As of yet, nothing's been released, but I did go ahead and put the Rock lights on. Because I did upgrade to the Mamba X, I don't have the plug that comes off the stock ESC that would power the power supply. So I did go with a mini e-Revo power supply. I can post the part number in the description, but this power supply works great and powers the Rock lights. The power supply works with the power tap. It just connects to the end of the Traxxas plug and powers the unit. There's also a plug that runs into the receiver box. Taking a look at the inside of the body, it does look like Traxxas plans to release some type of lighting system, lighting kit. There are spots that look like they're ready for lights. To compare the two vehicles, the TRX4's Defender on the right, the Bronco obviously on the left, you can see the differences in size. Try to get the wheelbase difference. And the difference inside. Now the Defender TRX4 is stock. I've done nothing to it. Stock ESC, stock motor, stock servo. The Bronco has the upgraded Mamba X, upgraded motor, and also the upgraded servo. So you can see the differences inside between the two vehicles. Biggest to note are the fenders. The Bronco comes with the fenders attached to the chassis, whereas the Defender has the fenders hooked up to the inside. So that's about it for today. Just wanted to give a quick look at the TRX4 Bronco and also give you a comparison. I believe it's been done before, but figured I would do it again. Got a snowstorm rolling in, expecting 12 plus inches, so really looking to get out tomorrow with the Summit and hoping to get some running videos. So until then, have a great day, and if you like what you saw, click the like button. Please subscribe and have a great day.